So, the infection caused by the Strongyloidiasis is known as Strongyloidiasis. Next one is the geographical distribution. It is worldwide in distribution. Mostly it is seen in the warm moist tropic region. Mainly it is seen in Brazil, Colombia, Myanmar, Thailand and Vietnam. Next one is the habitat. Mainly it is seen in the mucous membrane or small intestine of human being. Most commonly it is seen in duodenum and jejunum. Next one is the morphology. The morphology of female form is it measures about 2.5 mm in length and 40 micron in breadth, and it has a cylindrical muscular esophagus. It will extend through the anterior third of the body, and it has an intestine. It will extend through the posterior two-third of the body, and it has an anus. It will open mid-ventrally, bulbal opening at the junction of the middle or posterior third of the body, and in the posterior extremity it is rounded and it is ovoviviparous, and the male worm is shorter and broader. There is no penetrating power in the male worm, so it will remain in the wall of the bowel. The eggs are thin, shell transparent, and it is oval in shape. It has a larvae that is ready to catch. Once the egg is passed in the fecus, the rapidity from larvae start catching. Mostly the eggs are not present in the fecus. Larvae is of two types. One is rapidity-form larvae and the other one is the phyllariform larvae. The rapidity-form larvae is the L1 stage. It is the most common parasite found in the fecus. It is measures about 0.25 mm in length, and it has a shorter muscular double bulb esophagus, and the L1 larvae it will migrate through the wall of the intestine. From there it will pass through the gut and it is released in the fecus. Next one is the phyllariform larvae. It is the L3 stage larvae. The L1 larvae will mount twice and it will become the L3 larvae. So the L3 larvae is long when compared to rhabditiform larvae, and it measures about 0.55 mm in length, and it has a long esophagus. It is the infective stage of the parasite to the plant. Next one is the life cycle of Strongyloids. Mostly the man will acquire infection by the third stage phyllariform larvae. It will penetrate through the skin when a person walks with the barefoot. Usually the adult female worm will be found in the human intestine. It is parthenogenetic. Parthenogenetic means the female worm will not mate with male. The egg-laden mucosa will hatch immediately and it will release the rhabditiform larvae. So the rhabditiform larvae will migrate through the wall of the intestine. From there it will pass down to the gut and it will be released to the fecus. So, therapeutic from larvae boarded with fecus means it will undergo two types of development in the soil. One is the direct development and the other one is the indirect development. While we are looking in the direct development, rapidity from larvae, once it reaches the soil means it will mold twice and it will form an infective phyllariform larvae. When a person walks on barefoot on soil containing the infective phyllariform larvae, it will penetrate the skin of the man. From there, it will reach to the circulation. So, the larvae will be carried out to the right heart, lungs. From the lungs, it will migrate through pharynx, and from there, it will migrate through the and GIT. Uh, in the intestine, it will mature and hatch out and enter into the human. From there, it is excreted in fecus. Like this way, the cycle is repeated and the man will acquire infection. While we are looking in the indirect development, the larvae will be passed in stool. It will develop male and female worm. From there, the male and female worm will mate and it will release egg, and the next generation is passed out, and from there the cycle is repeated and the infection is occurred. Next one is the pathogenicity. The infection caused by the Strongyloidiasis is known as Strongyloidiasis. Most of the cases are asymptomatic. Uh, in some cases, it will cause skin lesion. Mostly the skin lesions such as dermatitis, itching at the site of the penetration of biliary gland. Most commonly, the pruritus is seen. Sometimes the allergic response is seen. In pulmonary manifestation, bronchopneumonia is seen. After bronchopneumonia, chronic bronchitis and asthmatic symptoms is seen. And the sputum of these patients, the larvae or strongyloids may be found in pulmonary manifestation. Next one is the intestinal manifestation. Mostly the intestinal manifestations such as mucus diarrhea is oftenly present. In rare cases, protein crossing enteropathy and paralytic ileus is present. Is an in hyperinfection, mostly it is seen in the debilitated integers. Mainly it is seen in with the cellular immunodefective patients. Mainly it is seen in the lepromatous leprosy and some other malignancy condition. Next one is the laboratory diagnosis. Microscopic culture of stool is done. It is the most important method used for the diagnosis. Behrman's funnel gas method is used for diagnosing the Strongyloides temporalis. In stool culture, it is done when the larvae are scanned in stool. In stool culture methods such as agar plate culture and charcoal culture method is used. Serology is done using strongyloids or biliary antigen is used. In serological diagnosis, complement fixation test and indirect heme agglutination and ELISA test is done. Some radiological imaging technique is done mostly in the intestinal and pulmonary infection, and in blood examination ESR rate is raised. Next one is the prophylaxis. The infection of strongyloids is prevented by prevention of contamination of soil with feces by avoiding contact with infected soil and contaminated surface waters and treatment of all the cases. By this way, the infection is prevented. Thank you.